assuming you are eating healthy is way.
And also along with that,
Fruits. So I have my watermelon juice which I made. I was so hungry. I look like an egg because I've oiled my hair. It's a Sunday and I've cut my extra watermelon because there's a lot left. Let's see how amazingly I've cut. So we got fruits. Hi, I look like an egg still because my hair is still oiled. What are you expecting? It's a Sunday. And I have my mint water, not for calories, not for weight loss. I just wanted to see if it also adds like that minty freshness to my mouth. When I was speaking, it's like mint. So this is what we got till now. ఇప్పుడు నేను సండే మార్కెట్కి వెళ్తాను. సఫర్ బౌన్ సండే స్టాప్ I just showered and I need a lot of strength today because my eye is hurting and also there's a lot of work in office. So every time there is a oily food, like an oily breakfast, like puri, bonda, vada, something like that in my hostel, I try to add a lot of vegetables, especially leafy greens, with a little bit of lemon. That goes really well with, I mean, basically cuts that greasiness and it feels good also to eat, and I don't have to think too much about like making a completely separate breakfast. Didn't really do anything for lunch because well, that was the kind of day today, but I was so hungry, yet I did not eat the. There were 3 different types of rice today: curd rice, tomato rice, fried rice. I completely skipped fried rice. I got a little bit of curd rice, just a little bit. And for tomato rice, to make it more nutritious, I added like mushrooms, cabbage, tomatoes, chilies. Yeah, that's it. I never knew I had this much willpower, but here we go. It's still not weight loss portion approved. It's still, I'm pretty sure I'll go beyond 1300 calories even if I eat this. Even if I ate, I mean, I will go beyond 1300 calories even if I have ate a little less afternoon if I eat this now. But that's not the point. The point is I stopped myself from eating, from just running and eating just straight up rice and oil. I took the time out to make this. I am so proud of myself. I sat and I did this, and one thing that definitely helped in all of this is that I had the ingredients prepared. Imagine my turmoil. Like, oh shit, now I have to eat, but I'm super hungry, but then I have to sit and prepare all the ingredients, cut, clean, all that jazz. Imagine the amount of friction it reduced because I was prepared. Well, anyways, I'll enjoy my meal with a little bit of anime. I didn't on it yet, but yeah. But because this is the last night. After this, I don't really eat anything. I'd probably drink some water, I guess. Nice. Uh, I'll tell you two things that I genuinely learned from today, from vlogging or like just recording today. One, eating healthy and eating for weight loss is you can definitely eat healthy, but it will be way out of your calorie budget. It can be, it very much can be, when you assume the calories, especially like how I did today. I thought today morning, at least for breakfast, I thought I'll be eating like a very uh, 300 calorie meal. But then when I recorded it and when I was eating it, I realized there's fruit, there's five onion bonda, there is juice, and there's leafy greens, there's lemon juice, all that jazz. That definitely goes out of my budget. That cannot be in my budget, like my calorie budget, right? So yeah, that's when I realized like, one, for sure, um, assuming you're eating like in calories is a different thing than actually tracking calories, like with a scale and all of that. Second thing is meal prepping. Meal prepping ఎంత అద్భుతం అంటే, honestly, really nice vegetable tomato pulav. I didn't make the pulav, I just made the other vegetables and eggs. The pulav is something that my hostel gives. This is called upgrading. But if I didn't do any meal prep, if I didn't have the vegetables cleaned and cut beforehand, I would have to restrain myself for like another 30 minutes more. Because nothing was ready. I had to sit and cut and everything, and there would be this amazing little turmoil going on in my head, like, oh, now I have to cook. I am so hungry though. I eat less only afternoon, but then you won't be in weight loss. It'll be all, it's fried rice today, tomato rice and fried rice. It's all rice, right? I can't even eat that. But then I have to sit and prep and like clean and cut and then cook and then eat. That's such a big process. But when I meal prep, it's literally like just, I've literally thrown everything that I have in the box in my kadai with a little bit of oil, like literally 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and some salt and an egg at the end. Done. That is it. That's all I had. And then I mixed up the tomato rice that I had in that. So it's like a little bit of rice, a lot of vegetables and 2 eggs. So good. It was amazingly nice.